Here are the colors for the new iPhone 17 Pro Max. According to the recent leaks and all the rumors that have been going around, this new iPhone 17 Pro Max is going to come with 5 different colors. So the first one is black, and we're going to have white, we're going to have gray, the dark blue, and orange. So one thing we know is that this rumor has been consistent for the past 3 weeks or so. And we believe it's not going to change. A lot of leakers has really said that this is going to be the color. So my question now is, when they release this phone, which of this color are you going to go for? For me, I think the dark blue is going to be very, very exceptional, and the black. So the white is still going to be there, but for me, I'm going to go between the dark blue and the black color. So I want you to comment I want you to put in the comment section which color you'll be going for when they release this phone. See you in my next video. Peace out.